What's your process for making your YouTube videos? I've been asked this question a few times lately, so I'm making this video to fill you in on how I do things. Before I get started, I will review my framework. Now, my framework is something fairly new. I finally created one last year. My framework helps guide me and keeps me focused on creating my content within 3 core pillars. And then in each pillar, it's broken down into 3 overall action steps. This becomes my outline. And then my first step is to do a brain dump of video topic ideas. Now, this can happen at any time. And my ideas can come from reading an article, watching a competitor's video, noticing a trend, or if somebody, like in this case, asks the same question more than once. But there are other ways that I come up with my video topic ideas as well. These ideas are then categorized into buckets that pertain to each pillar and action step in my framework. Now, here's my process for making videos for my YouTube channel. First, I review my brain dump list of video topics, and then I select anywhere from 4 to 8 topics that I'll research. Second, I use Morning Fame to research my keywords for my chosen topics, where I will curate my optimized video titles. I prefer using Morning Fame because it's simple to understand and use, but you can use any video SEO tool that you choose. Third, once I have my optimized titles, I can now get started on creating my thumbnails. I've been using Canva for quite some time, but I've also tried Snappa, Adobe Express, which used to be Spark, and Thumbnail Blaster in the past. Because YouTube loves faces and thumbnails, I'll usually use stock images of myself, or I may take stills while I'm filming. I create my thumbnails using my business font and brand colors to create a consistent look and feel across my channel. Now, before I head into the 4th step, if you wish to get help so that you can complete this process, then check out my new digital course, Embrace YouTube Video, the course. This 3+ hour, 6-module self-paced course will help you get started quickly on your journey towards creating videos and getting found on YouTube. To learn more, click the link here. Step number 4. Now it's time to write out all of my copy for each video. During this time, I'll write my video script, my video description for YouTube, my email copy, and my social media copy, along with a blog post. Now, I know. That sounds like a lot, and you're already getting overwhelmed. I feel your pain. Trust me. But for full transparency, this is where my procrastination normally creeps in, as I am not a writer and this is not my genius zone. So I opt to use a tool, because I always have a tool for that, Jasper.ai, which is a copywriting app that does all of my copywriting for me. By using Jasper, I'm able to quickly and easily create my scripts, copy, descriptions, and posts for my videos. Trust me, this works. I'm not a writer and I love this tool. Step number 5, it's time to record your videos. By this time, I've already decided if I'm going to do a screen recorded video, a direct to camera like this one is, or if it's going to be a hybrid of the two. I also know how many videos I'm going to be recording, and the range is usually between 2 and 4 for each setting. And on a great day, it might be 8. For my screen recorded videos, my go-to tool is Camtasia, although I have used Loom and will start experimenting with Descript as well soon. I love using this option because I can still create informative and educational videos without the need to film myself. This also speeds up the process for me, as I can get more videos done because I don't need to get camera ready. For my direct to camera videos, I use equipment that I already have, which consists of my iPhone 11, an iPad, or my Logitech webcam. There is no need for you to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a digital video camera when you can use what you already have. Besides your camera, you will need to consider lighting. In a bind, use natural light or film in a well-lit area of of your home. If your only location is a room where there's like little to no natural light, then if you can't use your lamps or ceiling lights, then you might need to go out and purchase affordable lights online. The next most important piece of equipment that you'll need is a microphone. I use lavalier microphones when I'm using my mobile devices, and my choice is the SmartLav by Rode. And for my computer, I will use my USB microphone, which is a Audio Technica AT2020. Now, to make my direct-to-camera recording process easier, my favorite video capture tool is BigView Video Teleprompter, because it makes recording scripted videos like this one simple and easy. It's available on iOS, Android, and it's also available on desktop computers. It also eliminates the need to memorize your script or be worried that you look like you're reading. And hopefully I don't look like I'm reading. Sixth is my personal favorite, video editing. If I'm using screen recorded videos, I edit them in Camtasia. Otherwise, I'm really loving Descript to do my main editing. And if I need to add motion graphics or anything like that, I'll export it from Descript into Adobe Premiere. If I don't need to, I stay within Descript, and then I can export directly to YouTube. If your videos are longer and you need to add chapters, Camtasia and Descript make creating them an absolute breeze. Once my videos have been edited, I'll create my social videos. Descript makes that really, really easy too. And then I'll head over to YouTube to complete the uploading process. Seventh, I make sure each video is optimized and prepped for publication. Everything from organizing the video description and adding the correct keywords, and then uploading the custom thumbnail. Now, most of these things can be done from your video editor if you use Camtasia, Descript, or Premiere. So all you'll need to do on YouTube is just cleaning up and adding some additional things that you may have forgotten, and making sure that your video is cleared for monetization or copyright. However, if you use Premiere Pro, you can also upload your custom thumbnail from there as well. Before I cover the last step, I'd love to know what's your most challenging thing that you've experienced when creating your videos. Now, last but certainly not least, it's time to share your video with the world. I share with my email list using ConvertKit. I post on social media using my social media management tool, SocialBee. I post to my blog on my website. Full disclosure, not doing that regularly, but we'll start. And then I add it to my email signature using WiseStamp. I also share it in additional ways based on the topic of each video. Well, that's all, folks. Until next time, thanks as always for watching, and happy creating.